Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Plaza Home Mortgage account. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar and then search for Plaza Home Mortgage. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the login portal of Plaza Home Mortgage. Write down your client ID and your password to your account and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Plaza Home Mortgage account. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser, go to Google search bar, search for Plaza Home Mortgage and click on the first link which appears. Write down your client ID, your password and click sign in. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.